How I get this from this in less than 7 minutes. These are flat iron curls that I have literally been doing since college. I've mastered it and now I'm gonna teach you. All you're gonna do is clamp the hair, rotate your curling iron 180 degrees and pull down. You wanna pull down slowly. The slower you pull, the tighter the curl. So you're gonna clamp, wrap the hair around, and then rotate the curling iron until the hair is coming straight back down. That's 180 degrees. And then pull slowly. Of course, you wanna make sure you're using a heat protectant before you add all this heat to your hair, but the result is so beautiful and my curls last for days. It takes a little bit of time to master the technique, but once you get it, it will be so fast. Okay, I just finished with the curls and they are such tight ringlets. This is gonna look so good. This is my favorite part. So I like to side part my hair because even though I curl it in the center, I love to side part it afterwards because I think when you curl it in a certain direction and then you part it after, it gives you more volume. So I'm just gonna side part it and I'm gonna gently brush out the curls. It's so pretty.